guys, it's Ava here today, and today I'm going to show you the fluffy type slime part 2, and then I'm going to show you 2 other slime. I'll show you this green glitter slime and this other green fluffy slime I have. So yeah, so if you don't remember what stuff I added in this slime, I made it with white glue, shaving cream, foaming soap, and Gain laundry detergent. And it was very fluffy. It was kind of sticky, and if it was sticky until I started kneading it together. And if it's sticky for you, any slimes, you could actually add baby oil, and to make it stretchy, you could add some lotion. It's very stretchy already, and I had no lotion in this. Until it breaks. So yeah, that's how long I stretch it really long. Yeah. And this slime's a really good slime. And then so I didn't leave it. I didn't just add a lot of Gain in here, because I barely added any Gain. Because this is all green food coloring in here. It's funny because all the slime I'm showing you today are green. It's this green fluffy slime, another green fluffy slime, and those are just like minty kind of greens. Those are mint greens, but then a lime green slime. So yeah, I need to get more colors of glitter though. Wow. Okay, yeah. So this is definitely one of my favorite slimes I've made ever. And if you want me to do a slime collection, just comment down below. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back in this thing, and since this one's already open, why not just do the next fluffy slime. I made it with the same stuff, just Gain laundry detergent, green food coloring, shaving cream, foaming soap, and white glue. And my hair is just not that. It's not as good. And then yep. So yeah. And so when you squish it down, and it's really good. You can make fluffy slimes with clear glue too. I made this with white glue. White Elmer's glue. Elmer's glue is really easy to find where I live. Except this slime is not stretchy. I might add some lotion to that. And if your slime's sticky, add baby oil or oil. It's better than baby oil, but I did add lotion and baby oil into this. Like only if your slime's sticky. This one was not anymore, except just if you could add baby oil into the glitter, so the glitter could stay in the slime. This is like a slime collection, but it's not all the slimes I have. I have a lot more. And if you guys want a slime supply collection, let's do that. But I have to show you. See, guys, just green slime from here. But I'm gonna put it up close. Do you see all those sparkles? Yes. I make my slimes with not a full bottle of glue, but like 2 full bottles of glue. Just kidding, half bottle, 1 half bottle. Cause I want to make so if I have 2 bottles of slime, I don't want to make 2 slimes. I want to make more than 2. So I'm gonna make 4. And what if that slime's a fail too? Then see, that's not good. And if you want me to do something on toothpaste slime, just kidding, I'm not. I might make a toothpaste slime off camera though. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to my other fluffy slimes. And the 2 fluffy slimes turned out exactly the same, so it doesn't really matter which one I'm showing you. One might have a little glitter. Yeah, but the same color. Like, same amount of fluffy, and for all my slimes almost. Actually, I remember for this one, I did full bottle of glue. So the fluffy slimes I've made are probably my best slimes ever made, except one of them. This one is not stretchy. So yeah, I tried finding new ways to make slime, but for YouTube. So yeah, so I can show you guys. My hair is very curly. Just cut out the back. So sometimes it could be stretchy. That's one difference though, is that from these 2, this one's stretchier. So yeah, I'm playing with a stretchier one, and these are 2 different slimes. The one I was just playing with and the one I'm playing with now. 2 different slimes. Yeah, one's a lot stretchier, but it could break sometimes, like it did right now on me. Yep. Wait, so if I make more, so yeah, if I had 6 bottles of glue, I would still make a half bottle. I could make 6 bottles, but I'd rather make 12 slimes. Mix. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today's video. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.